Best water heater, water geyser. Number 5. Racold Andres Slim 20 liters horizontal 4-star storage water heater geyser. Approx price 9,750 rupees. Titanium plus technology. 25% faster heating. Temperature regulation knob. Shower ready indicator. Capacity 20 liter. Power 2500 watts. Warranty 2 years on product, 3 years on heating element and 7 years on tank. Number 4. Smith SDS Green Series 025 storage 25 liter vertical water heater. Approx price 10,999 rupees. Capacity 25 liters. Wattage 2000 watts. Pressure 8 bar. B rating 5 star. Long lasting anode rod. 2x corrosion resistance. Outer body material ABS. Glass coated heating element. 7 years on inner tank. 2 plus 2 years extended warranty on glass coated heating element and 2 years comprehensive. Number 3. Havells Carlo 3 liter instant water heater. Approx price 3,299 rupees. Capacity 3 liters. Wattage 3 watts. Pressure 6.5 bar. 4 level safety. Thermostat automatic thermal cutout. Pressure release valve and heating indicator. Rust and shock proof plastic outer body for long life. ISI mark and ISI certification. Operating voltage 22 or 24 volts. 5 years on inner container, 2 years on heating element, 2 years comprehensive warranty. Number 2. Crompton Bliss 3 liter instant water heater with advanced 4 level safety. Approx price 2,674 rupees. Fast heating function. Wattage 3000 or 4500 watt. Capacity 3 liter. Pressure 6.5 bar. Capillary thermostat. Automatic thermal cutout. Rust free ABS body along with a wellness tank design. ISI marked nickel coated special element. 2 years warranty on tank, 2 years warranty on element and 2 year warranty on product. Number 1. Bajaj New Shakti Neo 15 liter metal body 4-star water heater with multiple safety system. Approx price 7,290 rupees. Titanium armor and swivel flow technology. Copper element with efficient longer life. Suitable for 8 bar pressure. Unique weld free joint in outer metal body. It comes with titanium glass lined enamel coated mild steel tank. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.